Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get products image URL in Prestashop in 2024. So of course, this is particularly useful if you need to use some products images in some custom scripts, external websites, or even marketing materials. Keep this in mind. So let's dive into the steps to find your products image URLs in PrestaShop for 2024. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video. Simply, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need basically to go and open a browser. Of course, if you don't have it installed yet, you can simply go to the URL section, so prestashop.com. Make sure to download it. Of course, if you want to download it locally, you can simply just type install as example. PrestaShop on localhost on Google and click on the first link. And this article will show you exactly how to install it on your own PC if you don't want to pay for a hosting provider or anything like that. So you can simply install it locally on your PC. As you can see, this will give you access to it until you have access to the back office and front office. For me, I'll access a demo of PrestaShop to show you how you can do that. So how to do some stuff. Of course, for you, as I said, make sure to go and install it locally, use a hosting provider, do whatever suits you depending on whatever you want. So as I said, for me, I'll just go and access demo. Of course, for you, so this demo sometimes is crashing. It's fine. So I'm just gonna wait for it. So of course, for you, all you need to do, go and access your back office. Like it's gonna be something like that for you. You'll have to enter your email address and password and log in into your account. It should be very normal. And after that, of course, once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate into catalog section in the left hand menu. In their catalog, you'll find products, and this will take you to the products management page where all your products are listed. And of course, from that option, you'll be able to select the products find the products where you want to get the URL of it. And you can use, of course, the search bar or browse through the list of products. And once you find the products, click on it, open a product details page as an example, and there you'll see the information related to the products, including all its images. So as we said, you will need to go to catalog on this list panel. So go to catalog. Under catalog, as we said, we'll need to go and click on products. So this will take you to the products management, as we said in here. And here you will see all the product listed. So just go. You can use the search bar as you want, search for name or reference for some specific products if you want. And once you find the products, just click on it to open the product details, like maybe this one. And here you'll see all information is related on the products, including images. On the products page, you can scroll down as example to the bottom. Here you'll find some categories, default categories. You can add categories, brand, related products, etc. And you can even go back to catalog if that's not the product that you want. And here as an example, but normally, as you can see, this is going to be the product's image. So here, normally, like the normal way people get the product URL, just click on right click and simply click on copy image address. You can open it as an example on new tab. As you can see, it's the same image address. You can check if the image is right, is wrong. Like you can check stuff. Of course, once you got that, you already have it, like the product's image URL of any product that you have. You can do that for anything. Or if you don't want that specifically, you can just go here and select it, maybe delete it, replace it, zoom it as example. So as you can see, when you zoom it, you'll be able even to download it if you want to download it instead of getting just the URL as example. It might even be good. And yeah, like that's gonna be it. Of course, you can verify the URL as we said in a new tab. Go and open new tab, just pass the URL. It should be the code as example, as we did in here. It should be the image, and you should be good to go. Now that's your product's image URL. You have it. You can use it for various purposes, whether you need it for custom scripts, embedded in external websites, or etc. As I said, you can even download it if you want to. Just click on it, click on zoom and selection, and download it if you want that, which is going to be even better than the URL. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.